Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CAT 2023 dress code. A minimal makeup and no body marks. The female candidates are advised to wear minimal makeup and present themselves in a natural manner for the test. They should avoid applying mehendi or any other body marks that may raise concerns. The restrictions on dress with multiple pockets. Wearing dresses with excessive pockets is strictly prohibited. Candidates should choose dresses without pocket to avoid additional checks and save time. However, dresses with one or two pockets will be carefully checked. Clothing with multiple pockets, such as cargo pants, should be avoided. No ornaments or jewelry allowed. Select the most CAT exam dress code for girls. Emphasize wearing simple clothing. Ornaments and fancy jewelry, including necklace, bracelet, earrings, and rings, are not permitted. If any candidate is found wearing such items, they will be asked to remove them. No electronic devices permitted. The use of any electronic device is strictly forbidden in CAT examination room. This includes cell phone, laptops, smartwatches, and fitness bands. Candidates are not allowed to bring any electronic items such as pagers or calculators into the testing facility. No hoodies or caps allowed. Wearing dresses with attached caps or hoods is completely prohibited. CAT dress code advises candidates to avoid such outfit as they can attract unnecessary attention and lead to additional checks. No personal belongings allowed except admit card. Candidates are not allowed to bring any personal belongings into the testing areas, including wallets, handbags, and sling bags. Bringing such items will result in disqualification from CAT exam. Let's check what are the important documents to carry on CAT exam day. Admit card. It is essential to download and print the admit card, which contains the candidate's detail, exam date, session, and exam center information. The admit card serves as proof of registration and is mandatory for entry into the examination hall. Government issued photo ID. Candidate must carry a valid photo identification document from the list provided by CAT conducting authority. This can be an Aadhaar card, voter ID, college ID, driving license, passport, PAN card, or employer ID. Scribe, affidavit, and medical certificate. Candidate applying from the PWD category may need to provide a valid medical certificate stating their physical disability. If a scribe is required, the specific guidelines will be provided by IIM CAT. Stationery items. Candidates can carry their own pens, pencils, and other necessary stationery items for rough work. CAT examination is conducted online and a rough worksheet will be provided at the exam center. Authorization form. If there is a genuine need to carry any approved emergency items, candidate must obtain an authorization letter from the MCI doctor. This letter should be presented along with the authorized item at the examination hall. Documents related to name change. In case where candidates have changed their name or surname due to marriage, divorce, or other reasons, they must carry legal documents and government stamped proof of the name change. Let's check the CAT dress code 2023 exam day guidelines. Arrive at CAT 2023 test center according to the reporting time mentioned on the admit card. It is advisable to visit CAT exam center at least one day in advance using the Google Maps links provided in the admit card. Carry two printed copies of CAT 2023 admit card on A4 size sheets. Present CAT 2023 admit card to the invigilator for verification before the test. A writing pad for rough work and a pen will be provided at the exam center, which must be written before leaving the examination hall. Attempting CAT 2023 exam more than once will result disqualification and cancellation of the candidature. Only candidates are allowed inside the examination center. Friends, guardians, and relatives are not permitted. Request for changing CAT 2023 exam center will not be considered. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.